Are you looking for a quick and easy way to hook up your iPhone to your 2006 to 2011 Toyota Corolla without Bluetooth? Well, I got the gadget that you've been looking for. This. Let me show you. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect your new iPhone onto an older car radio, a car radio without Bluetooth or an aux input. Today we're in this 2011 Corolla, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect your new iPhone to the stock radio over here, so you can listen and stream all your music or podcasts through the radio without any sort of wires or connections. So right now we are, let me show you, we'll play something from the Pandora. So that's what it sounds like from the phone. And we'll turn on the car radio. Right now we have the radio set at 87.9, which just matches the setting on the transmitter itself. So all you have to do, simply connect this device onto the phone and hit play. That's all you have to do. You'll be able to stream music from Pandora or Spotify.
The next 30 minutes are ad-free, thanks to the following sponsor.
What? I can pour this champagne on my phone and it still work.
We can also use it to iHeartRadio.
There's just so much goddamn weight on my shoulders, all I'm trying.
So you can use this device to stream music from your phone through your older car radio without Bluetooth or an aux input. You simply get this device from my website, iPhoneFMTransmitter.com. iPhoneFMTransmitter.com. Thank you for watching. To find out more about my product or to make a purchase of my product, please go to iPhoneFMTransmitter.com, iPhoneFMTransmitter.com, or click on the link below to find out more or to make a purchase of my product. I guarantee you that this will be the best gadget that you get this year. Thank you. Bye-bye. For more information about the product or to make a purchase, please check out my website at iPhoneFMTransmitter.com, iPhoneFMTransmitter.com.